Hi, I'm Shane from MSA 4x4. I'm here today to give you a brief demo and a quick run through the MSA 4x4 drop slide. I invented this back in 2007 as a way to get easy access into the top of a fridge. So, the first thing you've got to do when setting up your car is you choose your fridge. And once you've chosen the fridge that best suits your needs, go onto msa4x4.com.au and have a look at our fridge slide application chart. Then you can best choose the slide that suits your fridge. Now you'll notice when you do that when you install the slide, our slide has a much smaller footprint than anything else available. It's therefore smaller and it's a lot lighter, and it's better to fit everything in around your fridge so you can get all your equipment in there. Okay, the other good thing about this is with our simple handle design and the way that the fridge is set back, you can easily clear most canopy windows. Not all of them, but most of them. So what we're going to do now is give you a demo of a completely full fridge. There's quite a bit of weight in that, as it would be when we use it every day. What I tend to do is unlock the lock, push the lock down, and just hold slight downward pressure on your handle with one hand. I tend to stand to the side, take a little bit of pressure, and just slowly let it lower down. It's nice and safe and easy to use. You can then get into your fridge nice and easy. Okay, another really cool feature of the MSA 4x4 drop slide is when it lowers itself down, it doesn't just go vertically down, it actually swings itself out further, which is really cool. When you've got a tailgate or a rear wheel carrier or a bumper, you can actually get into the side of your fridge or the top without having to lean back and access the fridge. So it's just another really cool feature. What I do again, just one hand, pull it down all the way, you can't hurt it, unlock, and then straight back in again. And that's it, it's as simple as that. So with this design, it's not oversized, it's just a nice good footprint, there's no pinch points involved, there's no monster gas struts needed, there's no reinforcing of the mounting surface needed. It's a very easy and quick assembly. You just screw it in, put your fridge on, and then you're right to go. The beauty of it, it's extremely simple to install, use, and as they say, simple things in life are sometimes the best. Well, MSA 4x4 drop slide is it.